Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a background for a PowerPoint slide presentation or a slide deck for business. Let's begin. Go Insert, Shapes, choose the rectangle that's got the rounded corners. Just going to make the corners less pronounced. Okay, so we're going to keep the blue. We're going to go Shape Outline, choose Yellow, and for the weight, we need more lines. We need it to be about 7.5 to 7.75. I'm going to go into Shape Format, Shape Effects, Bevel. This one's okay. Let's see what else is there. Let's take this one. I'm going to go into the second icon. And then we're going to set this to about 26.5. And this one to 25. I'm going to give it an angle of 140 just for the lighting. So this border will tend to draw the eye. So now I'm going to cut this shape. And then if I open up PowerPoint, now you can go right click and choose the first one. And then you can send this to back. And then here, title, just go change this to a bright color. 60 is fine. Just change this to Arial black. Here, put report. Make that yellow. Shape format, align, center, align, middle. Widen it if you need more space. I just want to add that you can insert a gradient. Select the shape and then go Shape Fill, Gradient. And it just gives it a little bit more definition. And that's it. Thanks for watching.